Hi everyone, let's repair this garden hose by replacing the hose clamp style hose end. I use this short length of hose from time to time, and the hose clamp gets in the way when connecting and disconnecting the hose from a hose bib. Let's replace it with this female hose mender. Cut the hose with a pair of sharp garden shears or a utility knife for a nice clean cut. With a Phillips screwdriver, loosen the two screws to open up the clamps and slip the clamp onto the hose. Apply some dish or laundry detergent on the hose end and push it onto the end of the hose with the palm of your hand. Placing the hose end on a solid surface may help. Slide the clamp over the hose end. I'll leave a little space to allow the hose to expand when heated by the sun. See that the clamp is square with the hose end, and then tighten the two screws in an alternating fashion. Check for snugness and squareness. The new female hose end can easily be threaded onto a hose bib, and we're back in business. There are also male menders and repair menders. The repair mender is used to join two hoses. If a hose is damaged, the damaged section can be cut out and the two ends joined together. Here's another video that might interest you.